What's up guys, this is Steve for Android at Night, and today I'm going to be showing you my favourite apps of the week. This is a new series. I'm going to be doing this once a week, every week, just running through my favourite apps of what I've been using. They're going to be relatively new, some of them will have been around for a little bit longer, but it's just what I've been using and what I found useful. First up we have Alarmify, and this combines my two loves of finding a clock app that can actually wake me up in the morning and Spotify. This allows you to wake up to a Spotify playlist of your choice, or you can just choose a song. The app itself is really simple, looks really nice. There's quite a few other versions of this on the Play Store that I've tried out in the past. They tend not to work very well and they just look ugly. This looks absolutely gorgeous and it works fantastically well. One thing is it does require Spotify Premium, but if you've got Spotify Premium and you want to wake up to music, Alarmify is a great way to go. Next up we have Amazon Underground, which is Amazon's latest version of its App Store. This allows you to download paid applications and also then get in-app purchases for free. And every time you do this, Amazon pays the developers. I'm not 100% sure how the business model works. I imagine they're just trying to get people to use the Amazon App Store and then buy things off Amazon, because they've kind of folded the two together within the new application. But I'll put links to them in the description. And if you want to get free paid apps, Amazon Underground is where you want to be. Next up we've got Corgi Beta. This is a lock screen I talked about a while back, and it gives you news on your lock screen. It was quite nice before, but it was a little bit too much, a little bit intrusive sort of visually. Now it's got a nice standard Android lock screen style, and if you swipe to the side you get to all the news sources. It looks a lot prettier than it did before, and it seems to be a little bit more stable. It is in a beta at the moment, so you need to go to the link in the description and join the Google Plus community, and then you can download the beta and play around with it. Next up we have Mr. Number, which is an app I actually did a full review on. It just allows you to block spam texts and calls on your Android phone. This is one of those things, it doesn't annoy me much. I think I probably get like 3 or 4 a week, maybe slightly less, but when you do get them, they're really irritating. So with Mr. Number, you can block them and they won't be able to get through to you. Next up we have Semper. Now this is a lock screen which puts vocabulary onto your lock screen, so every time you unlock it, you have a little test. The idea behind it is that through repetition, the words and phrases that you learn will be sort of ingrained into your brain. It does seem to work quite well. The selection isn't quite as varied as I'd like, and the way of installing the packs is a little bit messy. You have to install a lot of them separately. When you've got it all set up, it does work quite well. So if you're trying to learn a language or just want to refresh a second or a third language, then Semper might be for you. And finally on this list we have Tapet. This is an app which will randomly generate you wallpapers, and depending on the more times you like or dislike the wallpapers, it will tailor that choice, and by the end of it, it starts making some pretty awesome ones that you're sort of guaranteed to enjoy. You can also swipe across left and right, and this will either allow you to change the colour or the design, so you can sort of really customise them a bit as well. You can then save them as files and set them as your wallpaper. So those are my apps of the week, guys. Let me know in the comments below your favourite apps that you've been using this week. Please like this video if you've enjoyed it. Please follow me on all my social media things with the links in the description. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't seen me before, and I shall see you guys, as always, in the next video. Peace.